guess what? Chicken butt. Kante. What a nice day.
What are you doing?
Eating pizza with a fork and knife.
You're so weird. And what are you doing?
Texting Jesse about how much cooler I am of a vlogger.
I think I'm gonna get pizza. Can you get me a? Oh, never mind.
Huh?
I said, can you get me a plate? But I.
There you go.
I don't. Ew! Why would I want? No. Yeah.
You only like cheese pizza though.
No, I don't.
Okay, here.
I'm not eating it off the floor.
Yeah, it's not like I cleaned my whole house today for you.
I am not eating that off the floor.
You want my pizza? I got a knife for you.
No. Oh my god. What?
So I'm very inspired by Jesse Gridhill.
Doubtful. And there's two of us, so we're better than him.
I'm not a bully. I don't have my fork and knife anymore. I can't eat this.
I'm sorry.
Will you go get it for me?
Pineapple on pizza?
Yes or no?
I say yes. What are you watching?
Jesse's vlogs. He inspires me.
Why is Brock singing?
I don't know.
And what are you trying to do?
I'm gonna go take all the money from the poker table.
I don't think it's gonna happen.
Wait, I'm gonna take this monkey so I don't understand. Wait, it has to ride on my shoulders. Hold on. His butt's in my face too.
Caitlin, I didn't know you were like that.
You don't know anything about me then.
Oh my god. Oh my god, there's so much.
Guys, I'm sneaking.
What are you doing? What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing?
I'm gonna take some money from some big kids.
Sorry.
Okay, can I come? Oh, can I come? Can I come?
Yeah, I'm starting in August.
Can I come?
August, September.
You guys
I
don't
just
have any
called.
money on the table?
Oh, did you raise it? No, I just called.
I win.
We'll be moving. Hi, Lydia.
Caitlin, you're having another one?
What do you want, Benny?
Don't
Don't tell Harrison.
Too late.
It's a secret.
Olivia,
Wait.
Olivia, go!
Go.
Oh my gosh, so much stuff. What are you doing?
Guys, I'm gonna steal money from the guys. Yeah.
Who's funny? What are you talking about?
Olivia, who's funny? Who? Who's funny? The monkey? Oh. Adios, amigos.